here, and today gonna show you guys another limited edition knife from Swiss Army called Patty Young. This is the name they gave it. Alright, here we have the knife itself, the Swiss Army tool. We got the leather casing on the exterior and red interior, really nice. It's called Patty Young, as I mentioned. Let's check it out. See the design. Check it out, man, this looks really cool. Alright, we have the polished exterior. Check it out, nice Victorinox logo. Let's see the contents. We got the Swiss Army knife. We got a nail file, screwdriver, keychain, Swiss Army scissors. This comes in handy, you know, just those basic tools, you know, carry it around. Comes in really handy. And we have a pair of tweezers right here. Toothpick. So check it out. Check out the design close up. Patty Young is what they call it.